Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a preview of the digital kit that I'm going to be using in my hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. This is for my October journal, and what I'm going to be doing is this will either be a monthly or it might go into next month depending on how quickly I can get this journal together. But I've had this idea for a while to create a journal that has all of the seasons in it. So you would have a January, February, March journal, and then you could change out those signatures and then go into the next 3 months. So I found this kit. I've been looking for a kit for a while that would fit this idea that I have. And I found this with Tracie Fox Creative, and that is Love Junk Journals. So I have several kits here that I'm using. I will link those in the description box so you can find those. So the idea is to make a journal cover, and then I would have inside of there January, February, March, and then into April, May, June. So every 3 months you could take out the signatures and put your new signatures in as you work through your journal, and then at the end of the year you'll have 12 signatures, but you'll have one journal cover for it. So here are all of the ladies who are participating in the hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. So you want to check out Dawn, Tricia, April, Joan, and Sheila's shop as well, or not their shop, I'm sorry, their channel. And yeah, we have well over 100 videos now accumulatively for the challenge, and you can put in that hashtag and look at all of the videos that we have put out. So the first video of the month, we do a preview of what we're going to make that month, and then the second video that month is the completed journal. So without further ado, let's just look through these pages here. So as you can see, I love the images here. I'm turning these upside down so I don't lose the order that I printed them out. And so I like this because it's got a little bit of hint there of this being March. And then as we move through, now you've got a little bit of an Easter or springtime feel. And here's like 4th of July, Independence Day. And then we're moving more into the fall. And then here's into Christmas or the holiday season. And then here I was planning on using these in January because they kind of have that winter feel to me. And then I'm going to use, this is Scrappy Seasons ephemera, so that's the name of this kit. I couldn't remember the name, but that is it. And so here's the ephemera that goes with it. And then just flip through these. So I think this is going to be really fun to pull in and try to pull this off and make it all fit into the journal cover that I have the idea for. So she gives you, as you can see, lots of different images to use in there, and then these backgrounds are great for building off of. Different sizes. And here's smaller versions. We have some tabs, so that'll be fun to incorporate in the signatures. And then I printed off this one too. This is Fabulous Floral Flourishes, and I printed this off because I do like to have a little bit of floral in my journals. So these I can kind of pick and choose different elements and use those for the different months. So they might not all be in the same month, but see, like this, I kind of want to put this in with the winter because of the blue in it, even though it's kind of got that kind of spring feel to it. So maybe some of these would be in July, things like that. This would go into August. in September, October. So as we go through, you'll kind of see how I incorporate those. And then she has these really fun collage pages. So yeah, stay tuned. And then I did print off some of her label kits. So I purchased a couple of those kits, more rather random mixed labels. And I did not print these on cardstock because I do like to layer them. So yeah, that's how I'll be using that. So this is all from that kit. So stay tuned so you can see how I'm going to put this all together. I think it's going to be great. And like I said, it's been an idea I've had for a while, so I'm really happy to get this off of my bucket list. So check out that hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024 and see what the other 5 ladies in who are co-hosting the challenge are going to be putting into their journals this month. Thanks so much and have a great day.